Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have another very special unboxing for you guys. Today I have two new towers from Tarmacdesigns, Indiana that is. Today we have finally have our tower for KAHULUI Airport, and we have our tower for Honolulu. So yes, I do plan on making the entire Model Airport, or Honolulu Airport in its entirety here, guys. Thank you for being patient. It's in the works in the design here of layover layouts, as well as with Hangar 505. So both of them are making the dream come true of different parts of the airport. So stay tuned for that, guys. Also, Honolulu being constructed, I believe by Clipper Models here, as well as Model Airport Network. So a lot of different creators coming together for that project, guys. So just stay tuned. Let's get right into the video. You can also check out Tarmacdesigns.com, guys. Link in the bio here. I am affiliate with Tarmacdesigns now, so thank you to Andy at Tarmacdesigns for making these amazing towers, guys. Go check them out. There's so many to pick from. There's literally like, I don't even know how many there are. There are probably at least 60, so, and there's more coming, so stay tuned for that. Guys, let's get Honolulu open here. Check that out. Absolutely beautiful. And look at that, guys. Super cool. Bringing the Model Airport world to life here. You know, this goes a certain way here, just like that. There we go. All right, guys, check it out. Finally have Honolulu International Airport's control tower. Really cool. Not one of the craziest ones in the world, but I think for the fact of like getting to the goal of having my Honolulu Airport completed, this does go to that goal. So now let's get Maui open. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get the KAHULUI open. Disclaimer, I have already opened this just to take a look at it. Here is the OGG base plate here. Super cool. And now we have the control tower. So it just pops right in there. Real simple like that. Pretty simple control towers here, but again, the meaning behind them is it's really cool to have them and have them for my model airports, especially KAHULUI. And these are super durable. I will tell you, these are very, very durable. So thank you, Andy, for printing these with the highest of quality material, guys. You guys can check it out, the link in bio here, Tarmacdesigns.com. Get your control towers 5% off code, guys. Code Alex. You guys can get the code here in the description. Wow. Now I want to get my KAHULUI airport set up again, guys. But first we have to complete this LAX update here we've been waiting on for like a week. So we'll get the LAX update done here, guys, and then we will move on to some more airports. So I got to get JFK out too here. So it's just busy, guys, doing a lot of RC stuff here too. So just been pretty busy here. But stay tuned, guys, for more Model Airport content. Another great look at the towers here, guys. Check it out. Super cool. And the fact that they come with these awesome base plates too helps a lot too. So you can display them. If you don't want the base plate on your layout for realistic detail, just take it out of the base plate. You can just set it down like this and it's all good to go. Look at that. I'd like to thank Tarmacdesigns again for sending me these amazing towers. I did pay for these with my own money, although I am an affiliate with Tarmacdesigns, so you guys can definitely click the links in the bio here. That does help support me a lot, so I can continue to bring you guys amazing content like this on my channels here. So also Instagram, TikTok, Model Airport Nation here, guys. And of course right here on YouTube, guys, at Model Airport Nation. You guys can also check, again, like Tarmacdesigns out in the description here. They also have Instagram too, and a Facebook. So check them out there. Of course, their website as well, guys. Everything will be linked below. So don't worry, it'll all be linked below. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Mahalo to you guys from Hawaii. JK, I'm not actually in Hawaii, I'm in Florida, but super cool. Thanks again, Tarmacdesigns, Andy, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Also at Airliners International 2025, guys. Thank you. Happy collecting.